So this is the video demonstration for my minor project. It is an app named Scheduler, as you can see here. I have installed the app for the first time on this device. So when I click on it, the tutorial screen appears. It tells you what the app is. So Scheduler is an app to increase your productivity and help you maintain your schedule. On the next screen, the user is told how to add events. So events are of three types: untracked, tracked and logged, with the later two being the ones being trackable. You can add tags for events in the statistics screen. Add templates, which are a set of activities that you can apply according to different criteria in the template screen. Add active templates, which are applied instances of a template. You can remove these in the template screen. So that finishes the tutorial. When we click on the tick mark, we are taken to the home screen. On the top bar, you can see today's date, that is 17th of June 2021. When we click on the add button, we are taken to the add event screen. We can add an event here, let's say random event. The time will be from 17:54 to 18, and we'll add this. So in 1 minute from now, a notification for this event will appear. Meanwhile, I'll show you the statistics screen. This currently contains only one tag. So as you can see, the notification for the event, random event, has appeared. I'll remove it for now. And so as you can see on the statistics screen, there is a tag named miscellaneous. This is installed with the app by default. You can add other tags as well. I'll add a tag named studying. So I've added the tag. Now I'll go back to the home screen. I'll add another type of event. I'll name it study session of type tracked, or I'll make a maths quiz, let's say. I'll make it tracked of type studying. I'll make it from 18 to 18:15 and I'll add it. So it is added. Now you can see in the statistics screen 15 minutes of total time has been added to the studying tag. When the user checks this box, it is reflected in the statistics screen as well. Now as maths quiz is ticked, now if we remove this, the total time and the time that user performed the activity are removed as well. Now I'll show how to add the third type of event. Let's say study session from 17, or let's say from 19 to 19:01. I'll make it logged of type studying. It is a 1 minute activity, so to show you the bar, so let's say we click on the percentage. So we are at the logger screen. When we start this logger, the timer starts. It's also show you the bar which shows the percentage completion out of the total time. When you go back, the saved changes are automatically reflected. So you have completed 14% of the 1 minute that you scheduled. You can see the total time for the activity is reflected here. So 1 minute of scheduled time. Next I'll show you templates. So here active templates button, when you click on it, it will show an empty screen because currently there are no active templates. So I'll add a template. Let's say Friday's classes. And I'll add CGM. So I have computer graphics class from, let's say, 9 to 10. It's of type tracked studying. And then I'll add CN from 10 to 11 of type tracked studying as well. Now I'll add this template. Now as you can see the events on the lower window when you click on the template on the above window. Now I will click on apply. I'll set weekly and I'll apply it on every Friday. Now if we go to any Friday by clicking on the calendar button, let's say 18th, you can see both these activities. Or if I go to 25th, I can see both these activities. Now When I click on the template and click edit, so I can add or remove events. Let's say the computer network classes was cancelled, so I'll delete it and I'll add the organizational management class, which is now from 10 to 11 of type tracked studying as well. So OM is added from 10 to 11. I'll click on the edit button. Now if I go to any Friday, I can see OM class is now reflected and CN has been removed. It will be like this on any other Friday as well. Now if I were to remove this template, I cannot remove this because this template is currently applied. So I will go to active template. So as you can see, the Fridays classes template is applied weekly starting 17th of June to every Friday. So I'll remove this active instance. Now if I go to any other Friday, I cannot see anything because I have removed the applied instance of the template Fridays classes. Now I can also remove the Fridays classes template now because no active instances of the template remains. So I will remove this. So now we can see there are no templates. So this is the video demonstration for my app scheduler. Thank you.